everyone, welcome back, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Leah. Thank you so much for joining me here today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my winter 2019 Luxe Box. Luxe Box is a Canadian quarterly beauty subscription. It is $26 Canadian per quarter. It does ship to Canada and the US. It is free shipping for Canadians for this box. I'm not sure if there's a charge for Americans or not though. If you know what Top Box is, Luxe Box is very similar to Top Box. They are sister companies, I believe, or somehow related in that way. And a lot of the products are interchangeable. Sometimes things you'll get in your Top Box you might see in your Luxe Box and vice versa. Luxe Box does claim that you will get 7 items each quarter, whereas Top Box is only 4 items in your box. And they don't guarantee full size things. They could be deluxe size samples, they could be travel size, they could be sample size sometimes, which is kind of sucky, and also full size. Similar to Top Box, Luxe Box also offers a $10 beauty surprise add-on occasionally, and with that you never know what you're going to get. It is a surprise, but it is usually a pretty good one. Luxe Box usually comes in a nice white box like this. Mine came in this box, but it also came in a bigger brown box because of my beauty surprise, which I did get, which I will show you later. But yes, this is what the actual packaging looks like of the box. The first item that I received in my box is by Verb, and it is the Ghost Oil. This retails for $20. It is a full size, and it's a smoothing moringa blend weightless hair oil. I just actually received this in my Top Box. Again, there are some overlaps within the two boxes, but this is something I can and will put to good use. I use hair oil every time I do my hair, or every time I wash my hair, so yeah, not disappointed that I got this. Next up is by Sephora, and it is their Hemp Mousse Mask. It's just a facial mask that you put on, leave on for what, 5 minutes and then wash off. I do have the banana one, which smells like banana popsicles, and I'm actually excited to have this one and try it out as well. This is full size and it retails for $10. The next item I have is by SkinFix, and it's the Barrier Foaming Oil Cleanser. And this is, again, full size. It retails for $38. This is what the bottle looks like. And it just says, this luxurious creamy foam gently washes away dirt and makeup with sulfate-free coconut-derived cleansers, leaving skin hydrated, soft, and supple. Cleansers are always something we can use, and I don't mind trying things, especially if they're kind of expensive. Next up, I have this little guy from Purlisse. This is the Watermelon Energizing Polishing Peel. I have a couple of these. They're just little itty-bitty guys. I do believe these retail for around $8, and I don't mind them. I use them. I like them. I also got a Nova Scotia Fisherman lip balm. This is in the scent Canadian Maple, and the funny thing is I was using this all the time. I really do enjoy it. I like the formula. I enjoy the scent of it, and my daughter needed a lip balm recently and I couldn't find any that were unused, so I just gave her this and said keep it. So now I have a new one, so that's kind of nice. I replaced the one that I had. We also have the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. This is not the full size, and it's not the mini. This is actually a $28 value. You can pick this size up at Sephora. And it's a water-based moisturizer, which is, I'm not going to open it because I have a few right now, but a water-based moisturizer is always nice for me because those are the kind that I like the best. The last item in the box is by Peter Thomas Roth, and it's their Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer. And this retails for $112. And I've always wanted to try a lash enhancer just because I have fairly long lashes as it is, but I'm like, let's see how much farther and longer we can get them. But I never wanted to fork out the money for it, so I am very excited to have this and to be trying it. It looks like a really weird wand when you look at it. Yeah, do not dump over and spill. This is what the wand looks like. So it's got like a spoolie with like a eyeliner tip thingy on the end. So I haven't read up on it yet to see how to use it. I'm sure you brush it on your lashes and then onto your lash line as well. I'm a little nervous about trying this just because what if I really like it? This baby's expensive. And this is something you have to keep up with once you start if you want to keep that kind of length. So we shall see. I'm excited to try it, but at the same time I'm like, can I live with not having this if it really does work? So the total value of my winter box is $221, and again, I paid $26 for that. So that's a pretty good return for my money from what I paid, I would say, and I'm really happy with everything I got. I know there was a couple of variations. Some other people got some facial oil, and I think there was a Josie Maran lip stain or lipstick or something like that. I wouldn't have minded getting that, but I do like everything that I did get in my box, so I have no complaints whatsoever. Now, the $10 beauty surprise. I know some people aren't happy necessarily with it, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first either, but I really like it. And it is a full-size Daisy Love Oh So Sweet Eau de Toilette spray. And this retails for $102. And this is what the actual perfume bottle looks like. It's got this kind of silicone-y flower on it, and it's just really pretty and kind of, I wouldn't say dainty looking because this spice is not dainty, but it's very pretty. So as I said, I was kind of hesitant about if I would like this or not. I'm kind of picky with my perfumes. And I'm not usually a fan of the Marc Jacobs scents that I've smelled. So I'm like, well, you know what? Poshmark is in Canada now. If I'll just take the lid off and give it a quick whiff. And if I don't like it, I'll sell it on Poshmark. Even if I sell it for like 50 bucks, I've made 5 times what I paid for it, right? So I just took it and I couldn't really tell. I'm like, nah, I don't really like that scent. So then I took the teeny tiniest little squirt and I just squirted it on my arm. And all day I was sniffing it. For whatever reason, the way it smells in the bottle compared to on my skin, you know, all the skin chemistry and body chemistry and all that kind of stuff that goes on that affects the scents, I really like this scent on me. I don't like it smelling it out of the bottle, but I really like it on my wrist and on my body coming off of me. I enjoyed having that scent. So I am very excited to have this and to be using it. As far as I've seen, everyone has been getting this as a beauty surprise, and I know there's a lot of people out there who are sensitive to scents. So this might not be the most exciting thing for people, but it came early enough to give it as a Christmas present too. So, I mean, there's that. All in all, I am very happy with this season's Luxe Box and the beauty surprise, and I will put everything that I got to good use. Let me know in the comments below if you get Luxe Box and what you thought of this month's box. Did you get the same things as I did, or did you get a different variation? Did you get the same beauty surprise? As I mentioned, I've only seen people getting this one. Or are you American and do you get Luxe Box? I'm curious to know. I've only ever seen Canadians unboxing them, so I'm sure there's Americans out there that are getting it, but I've never seen you if you are. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.